Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove the mirror on 2022 NX without broken anything. First we need to remove the door panel. In the right corner you can see the video how to remove the door panel. Okay, we remove the door panel and then we need to unplug carefully this mirror wires. This is the 360 camera and so just press in strongly. Okay, remove this. Okay, take off this cable from the ECU. Looks like this. Okay, we need to remove the two 10mm screw. Okay, and then just careful, just fold it down, and behind this hole we find the 3 10mm bolt. Just loose first a little bit. And then untight, and don't forget, try not drop in the door because you never find again. You can reach by finger, looks like this, and pull out. Okay, and then there is a white plastic. You just press in one finger and hold the mirror with the other hand, and the mirror will come off. Looks like this. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.